Example 3.23 is an important 5-mark question. So where you're given two equations and the GCD of that equation is this, okay, x squared plus 5x plus 7. You are asked to find the LCM. So before doing the sum, you must know the formula for relationship between LCM and GCD. So what is the formula? I'll write it here. LCM is equal to f of x into g of x divided by GCD. So if I take this equation as f of x and this equation as g of x, right? If I multiply these two equations and divide it by GCD, I will get LCM. By markla paakradhukku it looks scary, but it's actually quite simple. Do it slowly, right? Good. How do we get started? So if you divide either f of x or g of x by GCD, okay, that is the first step that you should do, and multiply it with the other term, you will get LCM. You can either divide f of x by GCD first or g of x by GCD first. எது வேணா பண்ணலாம். We shall take f of x first, right? How do we divide f of x by the GCD? What is f of x? It is, write the coefficients of everything here. It is 1. This is f of x. Okay, I am writing the coefficients of the different terms here. 1, 3, 5, 26, 56. Now, this divide pannalam. You have to divide it by GCD. GCD oda terms edutukonga. It is 1, 5, 7. Write the coefficients of x squared, x and the constant. 1, 5, 7. Right? Now, 1 into what will give me this 1 here? Obviously 1. 1 into 1 is going to give me 1. Multiply the other terms also. 5 into 1, 5. 7 into 1, 7. Now, shall we subtract it? 3 minus 5 is minus 2. 5 minus 7 is minus 2. Now, bring down the other term. It is 26. Now, multiply what into what? If I number if I multiply it with 1, I must get minus 2. So obviously the answer is minus 2, right? 1 into minus 2 will give me minus 2 here. Good. Likewise, multiply with 5 and 7. 5 into minus 2, minus 10. 7 into minus 2, minus 14. So now if I have to make this 0, I have to change the sign throughout. Right? So, this cancel item 0. This becomes plus 10 minus 2 is plus 8. And 26 plus 14 is 40. Plus 40. Good. So, 1 into what will give me 8? Obviously, 1 into 8 will give me 8. So, multiply 157 with 8. 1 into 8 is 8. 5 into 8 is 40. And okay, we forgot to bring this term here. This is 56. And 7 into 8 is 56. Now, if I subtract 8 minus 8, I get 0. 40 minus 40 is 0. 56 minus 56 is 0. Division is over. So, what is the quotient you're getting? So, when you divided f of x by GCD, you got the quotient as 1 minus 2, 8 you should write it as x squared minus 2x plus 8. Got it? Now, you know the formula for LCM is f of x into g of x by GCD, right? அதில் நம்ம f of x by GCD ஏற்கனவே கண்டுபிடிச்சு வச்சுருக்கோம் இதுதான். ஸோ அந்த வர ஆன்சரை you multiply it with the LCM. With g of x. Therefore, LCM is going to be f of x by GCD, which is what we found out, x squared minus 2x plus 8 into g of x. G of x என்ன? the second equation here, right? You multiply it with that. If you multiply these two expressions, you will get the LCM. You can stop at that. You need not keep multiplying or further factorizing it or anything. That is all. You can leave the answer at that. How simple, right? So sum பார்க்கிறதுக்கு தான் பெருசா இருக்க மாதிரி இருக்கும், and many times when you look at the sum you get scared. Start doing the sum, it will become very simple, right? Max is a doing subject, so keep doing the sums again and again. You will become perfect. So how did you do it? Remember the formula. LCM is f of x into g of x by GCD, right? So you can take any term, either f of x or g of x, and divide it by the GCD. So this is what we divided. Whatever quotient you got, that you multiply it with the other term, in this case g of x, and that will be the LCM. Very simple sum for 5 marks. Don't miss it.